Hello, this video is about the Farnell PSG520 synthesized signal generator. We are currently selling this, and this is a video I attached to my listing. This generator puts out a frequency from 10 to 520 megahertz. It is capable with an output level of minus 119 dBm up to 0 dBm output. I'm showing you the face of it here, and right now it's in a standby mode. And now I'll put a carrier on. That's the carrier. The number you see is the modulation level in deviation. It's set right now at 5 kilohertz. Now, this can be varied with this control. Here's the modulation control. As I tune the control, you can see how the number varies. In this mode, I can go all the way up to 10 kilohertz, but I usually set it at 5 kilohertz. This is like for most communications. And right here is the mode control between modes. AM, right now it's set in off position. FM, and then that's normal FM up to 10 kilohertz, and then we got wide FM up to 100 kilohertz. In the background you will hear I'm tuning up my scanner. This is my scanner. It is tuned to the same frequency as this generator right now, which is 30 megahertz. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 7 digits. It's a thumb wheel switch. You can go all the way from 10 megahertz up to 520 megahertz. Here are some of the connectors. This is the RF output connector. It is the N connector. I have a little N adapter here hooked up to a coaxial SO239 connector. And next to it is a modulation input-output connector, BNC. That's if you want to put external modulation in. This is SINAD input. I'm not sure exactly how you use that, but maybe someone does. This is the Farnell PSG520 Signal Generator. Now, this is the carrier. It has a carrier on-off switch. It turns the carrier on, turns it off. Next to it is internal-external modulation switch. I can turn the modulation on internal. If I go to external, it will go off because it's not connected to anything. This is the modulation potentiometer. It will control the modulation. In the FM mode, it is in kilohertz. If you switch to AM mode, which is on this control, it will show AM modulation. Let's see, which is in modulation, that's a percentage, all the way from below 0 or so, up to you go up to 100% modulation or so. Let me switch back to FM now. Okay. And now, in the middle you have your level control. Right now it's set at minus 50 dBm. On this left side is That's 40 dBm, 30, 20, 10. That's 0 dBm. I can set this all the way up if I wish. This will be, right now that's 110, minus 110 dBm. I can set this up to, let's see, all the way up to minus 119 dBm. So let me put it back. You won't hear my scanner right now because I have the squelch control set on there. Must be so strong of a signal to trigger that squelch. Now, I'm setting this back to where I had it, around 50. No particular reason, that's just where I set it at. So there it is, the PSG520. Let's get a look at the outside a little bit. Here's the side of it. It comes with a little bracket. I'm not sure the exact purpose of the bracket. Kind of looks like a mounting bracket, but it just comes to the edge. It's not really above the chassis or anything. I think maybe you can mount it differently. Maybe I don't have it mounted correctly, I'm not sure. Maybe it's supposed to go onto the front and kind of make it tilt up, maybe. So maybe that's the purpose. You decide about that. This is the top of the chassis. And here's the other side of the chassis. I could show you the back, but that'd be a little more difficult. I'd have to shut this off. Anyway, you can also see photographs of it on the listing that this will be attached to. And I'll show a photograph of the back as well, probably. Anyway, that's the 520. I wanted to show you that it works. And it's always best to have some sort of, I feel, to have a good video to show people that it's working. And so, it's in fairly good shape. I fixed it up a bit. And, as you can see, it's got a new paint job on the outside. It's in real good shape. It's a black color. So there you go. So thank you very much, and I hope good luck on the listing I have. I haven't decided yet when I made this video whether I'm going to have an auction or not, but either an auction or a listing. But thank you very much.